Hey gang, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mika, back at it again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a short mini review here. I got this carving gel off of Amazon. It came with 14 carving gels, all sorts of colors, and it did come with the utensil that you use to mold the flowers. I got this because I've been wanting to do flowers, so I've been doing my research and I got this one off of Amazon. I got a cheap one, not an expensive one, just a cheap one. So really quick, we're gonna go through all of the colors. I tried to use this one. This one is not as dry. It's very wet and sticky, but other than that, all of the colors, I love them. In today's video, we're going to be using an orange one. It's not like a deep orange that I would like, but it is orange enough to go with the set. So I did want to go ahead and just include these 3D carving gels into the video today, because you guys definitely will be seeing a lot more of them coming up in future sets, you know. So yeah, this is just a pure warning. But hey you guys, how have you guys been doing so far? Like, how has your day been going? How has your week been going? Today is Wednesday that you guys are seeing this video. For me, it's Monday. Not the fourth Monday, but the Monday before, after that, before that. Yeah. However, anyways, in today's video, I am going to be doing ombre luxury type nails. So I'm just gonna go in with this orange polygel that I have, and I really think that it is like a glow in the dark polygel, because when I put it in the UV lamp, it has like a little glow to it. So I don't know, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a bead of that. This polygel was very, very smooth and soft to go on. Like, I love polygel like this. To me, I work better with it. So I love it. But I did have another polygel that I did not like. So yeah, that nail will be coming up shortly and you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. So I want to go ahead and take the time out to do my shout outs. Shout out to all of my new subscribers. Hey. Shout out to all of my returning viewers. Hello. If you haven't subscribed already, if you haven't subscribed now, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you can be up to date on all of the videos that I do post, because I'm telling you guys, there are plenty more sets to come. There are gonna be more luxury sets that are definitely going to come. But I do want to just thank you guys for taking the time out to watch my videos, taking the time out to subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate it. If you can, go ahead and like the video and comment down below. That would really help my channel out a lot. But other than that, let's go ahead and get back into the video. So as stated before, this set is pretty much going to be an ombre, all over ombre set, except my ring finger, that is going to be a solid white polygel color. But I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with this orange polygel and finish up laying the orange for the ombre. So this white polygel was like really giving me the business. Like, on this layer, it seems like everything's fine, everything's, you know, cool and dandy. But when I go in with my cuticle bead, it was like really giving me the business. It was like hardening up, like it was like acrylic or something. Like, it didn't want to move, or, you know, once I did the cuticle bead. So this is the finger this is the part where the nail was, well, the white polygel was giving me problems. It act like it did not want to blend here, so I cut out a lot of footage with this nail trying to blend that in, because all in all I still couldn't get it blended. So I did keep my pinky nail on camera of me doing the ombre on this finger. I didn't do all the nails on camera. Well, I actually did record all the nails on camera, but I feel like I don't need to keep it in the video because the video would be too long and it is very repetitive. So I just kept one finger on camera. Now, what I did not do in this nail set, and I don't know why I didn't do it, was encapsulate. I did not encapsulate. So these nails were a little lumpy and bumpy, but it's okay because that's what a file is for. But you know, sometimes a file can work miracles. So we had to use what we got to get what we want. But this is how the nails are looking before they are file shaped and buffed. This is how thick they are. They are no C curve, and this is how they are looking, all file shaped, buffed, and cleaned off. Now I'm just gonna go in with my base coat gel, and I'm just doing one finger on camera and the rest of them off camera. So I did a little practice run of a 3D flower, and so I'm going to go in with the same style onto my nail. First I applied the Macquart's rhinestone glue on the side, and now I'm going to go in with some big AB crystals, AB gems, crystals, whatever you want to call them. And then I'm going to go in with this this glue here, and I'm going to make sure that those gems are, you know, sealed in really good. And then I'm going to go ahead and cure it in the big lamp for a total of 30 seconds. And then I'm going to go ahead and get into molding my carving gel. So like I said before, I am going to go in with this orange carving gel. It's not as bright as it, or deep orange, but it's okay. And I'm going to take a dotting tool and I'm going to dip in, and I'm going to get a good amount because we're going to make 5 petals. One big petal for the top, one big petal for the bottom, and these are the 2 that we're making right now. And then we're gonna make 3 smaller beads for, I guess, the petals on the side. So I'm just going to let you guys watch it. So this is the silicone tool that I'll be using, and these are my balls that I made with the carving gel that you're going to use for petals. And I do have some alcohol on the side because you do want to go in with a damp silicone tool. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick up these balls, and I'm going to place them where I want them to go onto the nail. So now I'm going to take that silicone tool and I'm going to lightly press where, well, not lightly press, but I'm going to press where it's at and then drag it down. When you drag it down through the middle, that kind of elongates the petal, and then you kind of like swipe the edges to make it more like petal form. If I'm explaining it right, but I did actually mess up on this one. So after I do all the rest of them, I do go ahead and ball this one back up and redo it. So when I was doing the 3 outer flower petals, I did notice that my beads were a little too small, so that's why these petals are a little smaller. So if you want to do it, just make sure your beads are a little bit bigger. So now that I'm done with my 3D flower, I did go ahead and cure that in the big lamp for a total of 60 seconds. As you see, I did cut the top off my Macart rhinestone glue, honey. So I'm just taking this utensil and I'm just dipping it in there, getting some and spreading it out on my, I think this is my middle finger. Yeah, my middle finger. And I'm gonna apply some top coat on top of that, and I'm just gonna apply some gems, press my gems into that so my gems can be surrounded and they will not like pop off. So I am going to go in with some AB crystals and some opals as well to add onto the nail set. This is what I did on my index finger, and like when I tell you I was in love with my index finger, this was like my favorite nail. I did not want to take this set off, but I could not go to work with these long nails. I had to take them off, but I love this set. If you guys love this set, comment down below, like the video. We're gonna leave an orange heart in the comments. Yes, definitely. If you are new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get all the upcoming uploads that I have coming for you. But yes, I love this nail set, y'all. Comment down below, let me know if you like it. So moving back to the flower nail, the 3D flower nail, it was looking a little plain to me, so I did go ahead and add some AB crystals onto the nail. Now it's time to go ahead and apply the cuticle oil to go ahead and nourish the cuticles again because of all the alcohol that we was using when we were applying the polygel. So let's go ahead and rub that in, and this is the lovely, gorgeous set. Y'all, like I said, I love this set. Which one is your favorite nail? How do you feel about the carving gel? Would you like for me to do more 3D flowers for you guys and go into more details? Like, how do you guys feel I did for the first time for the 3D flower? You know, let me know what you guys think about this set. I love this set, and I will be doing more sets like this. But I love you guys. I don't have to say it twice. Bye.